Feel that electricity. This is what WWE is all about. Just copy the dog. I think I saw two fly out. Uh-oh, this is bad. Oh, that can't feel good. Great reaction. That'll knock the air right out of you. Down he goes. An incredible series of moves there. Nobody's budging an inch in this one. Oh, no! Oh, geez, lights out. We're still not through. I don't think so. Barrel attack to the lower back, kidneys and ribs, forcing pain, and he fights out of it. He breaks the hold. And there's the axe handle. The Mastodon. Look at the pressure. You can see it in his face. The agony. And he escapes the hold. Oh, look at this. Block. Telegraph. The superstar capitalizes. Still the Gum King is what should be a phenomenal main event. Man, how much damage did that cause to the neck? A swift kick. Oh no, what an assault. Watch it. Buster. Wow, you see his head? So what would you expect the Mastodon to do here? Mastodon with a clubbing blow. And he's getting out of there. The Mastodon. Look at this assault to the rib cage and lower back. I can't watch it. And he powers out. Look at this. And the Mastodon answers back. Not this time. Big move coming. Devastating shot to the spine and back. The Mastodon. A sharp elbow drop. Oh, look out! Look at this. You can see the results from that move. And there's the belly-to-belly suplex. What a counter. Whoa, he's measuring. One, and a Mastodon kicks out.
He's stretching out that torso, checking for any bruises, and you know they're there.
In the corner, and now set up there upside down on the top rope.
And from here, you can't do much of anything. Uh-oh, he's in position, ready to strike.
Just squeezing down on the head here. Whoa! And he fights his way out.
Wow, what a great counter.
Into the cover, hooks the leg. 1, 2. And the shoulder of the superstar comes up. Lifted, and now placed upside down. Tied up with a turnbuckle there.
Watch out!
Can he score the pin? 1, 2, 3. The Mastodon wins.